Zoomer, I can see that you are pissed. That's the reason why I advise my boyfriend not to go into this crypto. Now you sit here with your grumpy face. What's the worst that happened anyways?
Haven't you been looking at the news? The whole crypto market is going to shit. All of our portfolios are at crazy losses.
Yes, that is correct. My portfolio is in bad shape too. I should not have bought so much earlier and lost all the value as the Bitcoin dropped. I'm not sure how long this is going to continue.
I must admit guys, even I am suffering loss this time. I bought the dips as soon as the market crashed and invested using my usual dollar cost averaging method, but the market still keeps going low and there is nothing left for me to buy instead. I'm just watching the value of the money that I invested going low as the time passes.
I have no money left to buy any dip. I am at the verge of panic selling, but I'm controlling myself.
Your conversation is getting dumber as I try to pay more attention. As always, your IQ is below my pants and I'm surprised to see you among them, chat. How many times did I tell you to invest in gold? This crypto gambling is always troublesome.
Shut the fuck up, Boomer. You are the one who advised us to invest in the stocks too. Now you see the market. What do you say about that?
Yes, Boomer. Cryptocurrency prices have tumbled in recent weeks, with Bitcoin losing over 30% since its high in November. In spite of another sharp drop this weekend, Bitcoin is still up about 55% on the year. But that doesn't make this volatility any less nerve-wracking for investors, especially if you're new to cryptocurrency.
Alright kids, listen to me very carefully. I'll tell you what I learned from my stock trading experience. You must realize panicking in times like this will not help. Take a deep breath and keep a long-term perspective. Investments in crypto or stocks are extremely volatile. Don't focus on the 24-hour charts. Instead, zoom out and look at the year-to-date. Ups and downs are a normal part of all market cycles, but they are more extreme with a new and relatively untested investment like cryptocurrency. As long as you haven't invested money you need in the short term, you can afford to wait out the drops.
I think this might help you a bit. Do not ever panic sell. When you see the value of your crypto investments plummet, it's natural to want to cut your losses and sell your assets. However, this often means you sell at a low, and don't benefit from any subsequent recovery. You never really know what prices will do in the short term. They may continue to fall, but they may also quickly spike upwards. So trust your original research and investment thesis. If you believe in the long-term value of your cryptocurrency investment, be confident that the price can recover.
My dad advises me the same. Like how Chad bought, don't fall into the trap of panic buying, either. There's no point in buying an asset you haven't researched and don't really want, just because it's on sale. And it's certainly not a good idea to spend money you need to meet other financial goals, or worse, borrow money, just to buy the dip. Crypto investments are still volatile, and there are a lot of unknowns, especially as the specter of increased regulation still hangs over us. You might try to buy the dip only to see prices fall even farther.
You must pay attention to the market and understand why the market is falling. You must have done some research, Zoomer. You are into this tech thing. What makes you think the market is falling right now?
There are a lot of reasons for the market to fall. We cannot pinpoint on one thing. For example, let's say you bought a cryptocurrency because you think the underlying blockchain technology could revolutionize a certain industry. The price starts to fall on rumors that quantum computing developments have made that technology redundant. If those rumors are true, it might be time to re-evaluate your investment. Your rationale may no longer stand up. In the case of the recent crash, there are a couple of reasons for the market-wide tumble. One is fear over the new Omicron COVID variant, which caused investors to pull away from riskier assets. Plus, the Fed warned it may raise interest rates, and there are still rumblings about stricter regulation.
I can say only one thing guys, make sure crypto is only a small part of your overall portfolio. These sudden dips in price are a good reminder that cryptocurrency investing is extremely risky. When prices are going up, it can feel easy to make money. But any type of investment takes time and effort, and prices don't always go up. It is wise to mitigate the risk by only investing a small percentage of your overall portfolio in crypto. There are plenty of other safer investment options, so try to balance your exposure to risk by keeping a good proportion in things like stocks, ETFs, and real estate. That way, if the current dip is the beginning of a larger crash, it won't lead to financial ruin.
Cryptocurrency crashes are part and parcel of this type of investment. If this is your first dip, the best advice is to hold on tight and wait for prices to recover. At that point, you may decide that crypto investing is too stressful for you, which is understandable. But don't make any rushed decisions. Give yourself and the market time to breathe before you start selling.